Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. What effect does temperature have on plants? Well, there are a number of things that plants that have problems with temperatures. We all know too hot or too cold can be an effect on you and I, and it also can affect our plants as well. Many plants, let's say tomato plants, if it's too hot at night or too cold at night, they're not going to set their blooms. That's one example. Many plants also will start to drop foliage. Deciduous plants start to drop their leaves if it's too cold. Many plants have a natural protective barrier. If a plant gets too dry, one of the things it'll do is drop its foliage to help save the plant. So don't be too alarmed by that. If you have a little ficus that's in the cold area or other house plant that gets too cold, if it drops all of its foliage, it's just a normal happening. Go ahead and make sure you protect the plant, water it, fertilize it, and the plant should come back. Temperature is an important factor for you and I. One of the things I like to mention to folks, if I put you outside, even with a little cover over you, and it goes down below freezing, you're still going to know it's freezing. So don't think just because you have a sheet or a pillowcase over your favorite plant that you've totally protected it. Same thing inversely when it's too hot. Try to move plants that really can't take too much heat, seem to be wilting all the time during the middle of summer. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm Stan DeFreitas.